Alright guys, in this video we're going to talk about inheritance in JavaScript. What is inheritance? Inheritance allows another class to use methods from existing class. This is called inheritance, and also we can call parent and child. Now let's make it. I have a class animal, and every animal can eating and sleeping. Let's make the method for eating and sleeping. Eat method. Inside of this method, console.log, and use this keyword, this dot name can eating. And I wanna write another method for sleeping. Let's write console.log. Inside of this, I wanna write this dot name can sleeping. Like this. This our parent class, because every animal can eat and sleep. And now let's make the child class. I like two kind of animals, dog and chicken. I want to make another class for dog. Okay, class dog. Let's specify the name of this dog. And I want to make another class chicken. And this chicken class has a name chicken. Like this. But now it's separate class. If you want to make this class the child of this parent class, you can use extends keyword. Extends keyword. After that, you can write the parent name. Okay? I want to write the parent name. The parent of dog class is animal. Okay? And I want to write extends animal. Just like this. Now I want to make the object of this constant dog equal to new dog. Okay? And let's make the object of chicken class constant chicken equal to new chicken. Remember this, that write your class name with capital letter, okay? Like this. Just like this. Now this child class can access to this method from its parent class, like this. Now I want to write dog.eat. Let's see. Look, it said dog can eating. This class is child class and can access to its parent. Let's write dog.sleeping. Sleep method. Now let's see. Dog can sleeping. Let's change this dog into chicken. Chicken can eating. Dog can sleeping. Let's change this dog into chicken. Look, chicken can sleeping. This is child class and can access all the property of its parent class. Okay? Just like this. Why should we use inheritance? Why should we use inheritance? If you don't use inheritance, you have to write these methods inside of its class, like this. Look, it's two class, but imagine that you have 100 class. Can you write all of these? You have to use inheritance, just and simple, okay? And now let's write a method for this. For example, dog can walking, okay? Walking method, console.log. This dot name can walking, okay? Walking. And chicken also walking. Let's write this method inside the parent class. in here. And dog cannot fly, but the chicken can fly. Let's make the fly method. Console.log. This.name can flying. Chicken can fly. And now chicken can walking, but dog cannot flying. Why? Because this is inside of the child class and this child class cannot access to this child class. This class only access with their parent class. Look, this method. Now I want to change this. Chicken can walking. Okay, look, chicken can walking and also chicken can flying. Look, chicken can walking, chicken can flying. But dog, let's see, dog dot fly. Look, it's wrong because the dog class is a child class and cannot access to another child class. It only access to its parent class. Dog can walking. Just like this, dog can walking. This is inheritance in JavaScript. If you have any question, you can post it at the comment section and we will answer it.